Guys, here's the third half.
You must think this is amusing, huh? You know what? Go on and catch me outside.
No, kid!
Ooh, muddy puddle. Wee!
Get away! No, the narrator got her. And then brought her over.
Oh dear. Everybody's in a fire and everybody should be safe. The fire is out. Yay! Sarah loves jumping in muddy puddles.
The fire's out! Everybody can get comfortable.
Sarah loves jumping in muddy puddles. Miss Hess loves jumping in muddy puddles. This looks fun. Whee! Miss Hess loves jumping in muddy puddles. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. This splash, splash. With a big splash here and a big splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splash.
No, she's gonna go to sleep because she's tired.
Look, everybody else is gonna jump in muddy puddles. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. This splash, splash. With a big splash here. And a big splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splish splash. Jumping up and down.
You watch
This splash, splash, splish, splash. That sounds like fun outside. This sounds like they jump in
me tired. Airplane do tired.
Airplane do. Wanna jump in muddy?
Airplane do tired.
This seems like fun. Can I join and jump in muddy puddles? Hey Lila, come and join us. I'm not a muddy puddle.
Jumping down the muddy. This splash is a bit. And with a big splash here, a big splash. Jumping down that muddy puddle. You make it.
Jumping up and down in
Muddy puddle.
That was fun. I'm tired. Jumping up and down in
Deep.
Oh no! Oh dear! Sarah's gonna fall into that water.
No, she wasn't safe.
Glitter isn't just a school, it's a skill. Start getting better today for free at Experian.com/free.
Teacher! Let's go see.
Good idea. Jumping up and down in muddy. Jumping up and down in mud. You know what? I'm tired. Jumping up and down. I'm tired. Jumping up and down in muddy.
I'm going to go.
Problems can be a good thing because they force us to find solutions
Alex is
that might
awake.
take us to a more amazing place. Since 1931, DeVry University has challenged our students to turn
wants
problems into
everybody else to
opportunities. And today, by putting
Airplane
technology
is
at the root
awake.
of what we teach, our students are armed with the knowledge to find better solutions.
She's
Moving forward,
asleep
feeling
again.
bold, confident,
Everybody
Hello?
is asleep.
DeVry University.
Airplane do
forever
here.
Everybody do go sleep.
It is a new day.
At 4 o'clock.
Ladder 8 is awake.
Awake at night.
What's happening?
Living in fear of my
Why is everybody not awake? Is it I'm only home?
Oh no, it's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh well, I guess I'm gonna eat all the fruits.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. What the heck? Who just said that? It's 4 o'clock in the morning?
I'm gonna eat all the fruit, all the fruits.
I'm just gonna, she said, I'm just gonna eat all the fruit.
Man, eating all that fruit is so wonderful.
She's supposed to say, I'm just gonna eat.
No, she ate all the fruit and now she's going.
No, she's gonna eat more fruit. No, she's supposed to say, I'm just gonna eat the rest fruit. Right.
Another bad report card.
Why is Lila hungry?
you've got tutors.
That was 20 years ago. Do you remember the class? Yes. Then we went to Huntington. Things really turned around for you. Now your son.
Her real name is Samantha, but
When your
they
child
just call her
no
Alice.
matter what his or her age, Huntington can help. Call 1-800-CAN-LEARN and save $100. 1-800-CAN-LEARN.
Why is that baby making noise?
Be the first, the new breed of super soldier.
Mom, why is the baby making noise?
Guess. Miss Evans. I'm just a kid from Kobe. Tommy Lee Jones.
What?
Samuel L. Jackson.
Why is that baby making so much noise?
I don't know.
You don't give up, do you? No.
I'm just gonna let her. Here, take care of her.
Captain America, the
When
first
you go to
Avenger,
sleep,
Saturday at
her
8:30 on USA.
And we're back live on Monday Night Raw 8-man tag team matchup underway. The New Day and Enzo and
You
Cass
look
taking on
tired.
Rusev,
I'm gonna put
Jinder,
you back
Titus,
into the-
and Braun Strowman. And here's Kofi Kingston with a crossbody
Lila,
on Rusev.
why
Kofi
are
with a
you
cover up and a leg and a
away?
kick out. Kofi Kingston, guys,
It's too
will be entering his
noisy.
9th.
Okay, let's go back into
Sunday
your
has been
bed.
responsible for
Which
some of the greatest
one are you
highlights
sleeping
in Royal Rumble
No,
match history.
Shannon! That is Alex's room! I think that was Alex. Oh. I think you're gonna make him cry.
Entering the Royal Rumble fray, and here's Jinder Mahal really taking it to
She's
Kofi Kingston.
biting
One of
on
those improved
her
superstars on the Raw roster, and no doubt forming an alliance
Why
with
is she
Jinder
biting?
Mahal has been
Why is she eating her tongue?
skyrocket path.
I think she wants her milk.
Kicks out again.
Okay, let's go give her some milk. That should be enough. Okay, let's give her.
And Titus O'Neil back.
We got some milk for you because you was hungry.
New Day. Remember, Titus had been auditioning for a role in the
Time to get your big
She's asleep.
Didn't work out too well.
Now she's asleep. I think I will go to sleep.
Sure, Titus,
Yeah, good idea.
Let's go to sleep.
Oh, look, these two are awake. Maybe I can.
Kofi created some separation. Titus again
Oh,
trying to keep him away
why
from his
is
corner,
everybody
making it tag. Kofi trying to go between the legs and
It's
Titus.
baby Alexander. Maybe he would like to
O'Neil.
play.
Evans.
Baby Alexander want to play?
It's a she.
Baby Alexander.
It's a she.
What is wrong with you?
Baby
I don't know why
Alex
you don't get
want to
behind
play?
that. Sooner or later, the entire WWE universe is falling. There you go.
Want to play?
Titus Brand is falling. Going to be barking like a seal. Good thing Titus isn't in the Royal Rumble match
What
because
is
if he
this
was, he'd be
baby
eliminated.
saying?
It is Braun Strowman now
understand.
tossing his teammate back into the ring.
She's
Tag made
saying
by Jinder. And Mahal back in. Kofi makes the
she's
tag.
trying to wake
Big
herself up. She's saying that she wants some
Royal
milk.
Rumble match. I can't
Okay.
imagine how pumped he is. Oh, he's showing it right here, taking it to Jinder Mahal. Huge steal by Cass.
Good night. Cut off
And
you
Big
stupid
Cass with a
siren.
splash in the corner.
Okay.
Okay guys, we're gonna do another half. Goodbye.
Tagged Enzo. About to get word.